Alright, so here we got the iRobot Roomba 770 model. It is a new other condition, meaning it's an open box, and it's so it's basically new. The only thing is it's missing its remote. That's pretty much it. But anyway, so brand new box here. I'll show you. Alrighty, there you have it. So this will make a great gift for somebody for this Christmas time. So beautiful robot. It's all black on black. So I'll just show you inside here. Alrighty. Obviously we've got the two cleaning tools here. One's right there, one's right there. Two auto virtual walls. Dock station right there. Alright. And the power supply in there. And the Roomba itself. So it's a 7070 model. It's in great shape. So I'll show you that it's brand new here. So no scratches, nothing on it, never been used. Alrighty, it's all nice and clean everywhere. So a great gift for somebody, some of the lovely ones that you guys got. I'll be selling this as a new item. So thanks for watching. Check out my eBay.